morning, folks. Little bonus package day. So yeah, this is, well, speaking of what I was expecting, a little while ago was a guy called Marc Rosenthal on a Facebook group, and he was advertising some, well, take a knife look. He was advertising some coins. So anyway, I tagged a couple of people. So I just want to say thanks to Cox's Picks, because he took the reins and ordered some together. We all chipped in, and they've just it's just arrived. So I should have one for me and one for my mate, the Welsh lock picker, because I'm going to be sending him some stuff soon as well. So I said, well, you may as well send his to me, and then I'll send it to him. Ooh, here we go. Ah, I think that's a shim former of some sort. Thank you very much. That's unexpected. So yeah, like I say, basically we've got these coins we've chipped in on, these collectible coins. Oh, very cool. Yeah, I didn't think I had one of these. Thanks, Coxie, my man. You're a diamond. Yeah. Oh, there's stickers on there. Oh, cool. So yeah, a couple of poker chips from Coxie, and these are the coins. Sorry, it's not the best video, is it? But hey ho, I just wanted to do an unboxing and share this. If I'm getting it. Here we go. No, that's next to your poker chip size. But how cool is this? Let me get my glasses. How cool is that? It's very nice indeed. So yeah, thank you very much, Marc Rosenthal. These are all the way from the States, I think. There we go. We've got handcuffs, padlocks, lever locks. Sorry about that, just had to let my cat out. But yeah, I saw that and I thought they are brilliant. Picks on as well. Very, very excellent collectible coin. So thank you ever so much, Marc, and thank you very much, Coxie, because he's also printed this very cool little, this very cool little display stand. So that'll sit there like that. And this one's for it, Welsh lock picker. And then he's also, blame me, he's also tempted me with these I think, yeah, 3D printed handcuffs. How cool is that? How cool is that? Here we go. Look at these. Blue, bad boys. These are brilliant. Very, very cool. And hinged. I was just saying to someone the other day, I really need to get some hinged cuffs. Oh wow, it's got a double lock on it and everything. These are amazing. Does it work? It does work. Look at that. It's mad, the things you can do with 3D printing. That's brilliant. Yeah. So yeah, little package day. I really need to get a better camera set up. So I'm in the kitchen again because the light's better. But yeah, that's it for now, folks. Till next time, take care. Thank you, Marc. Thank you, Coxie. And Richard, yours will be in the post when I send you one of my chips. That's it for now, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.